What is the reproduction? Let's know. Each and every organism lives for only a certain period after which it meets a natural death. The period between what and natural death of an organism is called lifespan. Lifespan varies from less more than 1 day to more than 4,000 years. Lifespans are not related to size or complexity of the organism. Crow and parrots are of equal size. Crow has a lifespan of only 15 years, while parrot lives for about 140 years. Similarly, mango tree lives for about 200 years, while people Ficus religiosa has a lifespan of about 2500 years. Banyan tree Ficus bengalensis spreads over a very large area but does not live beyond 500 years. The largest living plant is a shrub called Lomentia tasmanica. It is 43 years old. The longest lifespan amongst animals is that of an edible clam, Arctica islandica. It is 410 years. Therefore, lifespan is a specific trait of each organism. It depends upon the timing of natural death. Natural death is a certainty in every individual organism. No organism is immortal. However, some single-cell organisms do not have a natural death. When they grow up, they undergo binary fission. A mother cell divides into two. Each daughter cell, no body part is left to die. Such organisms are immortal. Reproduction is a characteristic feature of all organisms. It is the biological process of self perpetuation or continuation of species in which the grown-up individual give rise to young ones similar to them. The adults who give rise to young ones are called parents. The young ones are called daughters or offspring, both singular or plural. The young ones grow, mature, and repeat the process. There is thus a cycle of birth, growth, maturity, and death. Reproduction ensures the continuity of a species generation after generation. Reproduction of or formation of carbon copies of DNA, formation of RNA, protein, other biochemical for multiplication of cellular contact, growth of cell, division of cell. It is mode of reproduction in any unicellular organism. Formation and separation of reproductive units, development of new individuals from reproductive units are basic features of reproduction.